We also went over point slope, but you don't have to use point slope unless you want to. But point slope is y minus y1 equals your slope times x minus x1, where m is your slope and your point is x1 comma y1. Now, if you have an example with your slope of 2 and a y-intercept of -4, you have to change this value to a point. So we change it to 0, comma -4. Now you have a point and you can label it x1, y1. So if I plug this in, I'm going to say y minus y1, which is -4, equals my slope, which was 2, times x minus 0. Now minus and 0 cancels out, and minus and negative means you add. So you have y plus 4 equals 2x. And then you need to move that positive 4 to the other side and change its sign. So if I'm going to rewrite this for you, y plus 4 equals 2x. So if I subtract 4, then that means y equals the 2x and then minus 4. And that's how you do the first one. Okay, for D, when you have a point and a slope, you'll do the same one. The point is called x1, y1. Okay, I'm going to write my equation. Y minus y1 equals my slope times x minus x1. Y minus y1, which is -4, equals my slope of 2 times x minus 1. Now you just want to simplify and solve for y. Minus and negative becomes a positive, so I have y plus 4 equals, now when you have 2 outside parentheses, you distribute. So 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times -1 is -2. Then we need to get y by itself, so the opposite of adding is subtracting. So we're going to subtract that from both sides. We're left with y, 2x, and then -2 minus 4 is -6. And you found your equation. Now if you have 2 points, you'll solve slope, x1, y1, x2, y2. So if your slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is -3 minus 6 divided by 2 minus a -3. Okay, so -3 minus 6 is going to be -9, and 2 plus 3 is going to be 5. So your slope is -9 over 5. Now I'm going to rewrite my equation. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 6 equals my slope, which is -9 over 5, times x minus x1, which is -3. Now we simplify. Y minus 6 is equal to, now the -9 over 5 is going to distribute, -9 over 5x. This becomes positive, and this is 3 over 1, so -9 times +3 is -27 over 5 times 1, which is 5. You will add 6 to both sides, so you're left with y. So y equals -9 over 5x. And then you've just got to solve the y-intercept. So you have -27 over 5 plus 6 over 1. To find a common denominator, we multiply the right fraction by 5 on top and bottom. So it's going to be -27 over 5 plus 30 over 5. And 30 minus 27 is 3 over 5. So my equation is y equals negative 9 over 5x plus 3 over 5.